Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in the pop up album style to your picture or videos on CapCut. Super simple. You're just going to select the picture or video or whatever you want, and then you're going to select style, and then you are going to select motion, I think, or it's in split. Oh, I think it's in split. And then you're just going to select the pop-up album one, and it's going to just generate for you. Super simple. And then once you're done, you're just going to press the check mark button and export that. And that is it. This is the final result of the style. It's pretty cool actually, but yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!